In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send automated messages on Slack. Let's start by opening Slack. You can use the desktop app or your browser. Either way, make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace. Give Slack a second to load your sidebars and channels so everything is fresh. Having Slack fully loaded helps slash commands and prompts appear right away as you type. Now head to the channel where you want to work. I'm using a channel called External Channel. You can follow along in any channel you can post in. If this is a shared or public space, remember that changes you make, like renaming or posting automated messages, will be visible to others in that channel. Click into the message box at the bottom. This is where we'll use a few helpful slash commands. We'll start with a quick housekeeping step to keep things organized for our demo. Type /rename. You'll see Slack surface a prompt that helps you rename the current channel. This is a built-in feature that's handy when you want names to reflect the purpose of your automation or test. Select the option to rename this channel. A small window opens with the channel name ready to edit. Click into the highlighted channel name field so your cursor is active. To make this easy to spot later, add a simple change. Here, I'm appending the number 1 to the end of the name. Keeping names short and descriptive helps everyone understand what the space is for. When you're done, click Save Changes. Slack will confirm the update, and you'll see the new name in your channel header. If you don't have permission to rename, you'll see a notice instead. In that case, you can continue the next steps without changing the name. Next, return to the message box. We'll set up a lightweight automation using Slack's reminder system. Type exactly this, /remind me to send everyone a message tomorrow at 9 a.m. This creates a personal reminder for you, which is a great way to automate your follow-up without forgetting. Slack understands natural language, so you can say tomorrow at 9 a.m. and it will schedule it based on your time zone. Keep in mind that me means the reminder will DM you, not the whole channel. The automation here is about prompting you at the right time to post the message you intend for the group. After you type the command, click the highlighted confirmation that appears. Slack will acknowledge the reminder so you know it's set. If you need to adjust the wording, you can cancel and retype before confirming. With the reminder in place, let's look at sending a message through a command. In the message box, type /send. Depending on your workspace configuration and installed tools, Slack will present options. Choose Send a New Message. This is useful when your Slack setup includes features or apps that support composing messages through a command interface. It's helpful for repeatable updates where you want to keep the flow consistent. If you see a template or guided form, follow the fields it presents. If it simply opens a fresh message context, write your update the way you normally would. At this point, you've prepared your space, scheduled a nudge so you don't miss your posting time, and opened the path to send a message using a command. Together, these steps create a simple, reliable approach to automating routine communication in Slack without needing a heavy workflow. You plan once, let Slack remind you, and use the command to keep your message consistent. That's it for this walkthrough. Open Slack, jump into your channel, tidy the name if you need to, create a clear reminder for yourself, confirm it, and then use the send command to structure your message. With these tools, you'll stay on schedule and keep your team informed with minimal effort.